Hey everyone, I'm gonna do a little trick here. I don't know what it is, but apparently when I put my school ID against my Galaxy Nexus, it does some weird sounds. So let's unlock my phone. Right. And let's see what this apparently does. Okay, I put it down on my card. As you can see there. I don't know what this is. It has to do probably with the NFC chip, because that's a scanning card. I don't know if you guys could help me out. I don't know what's going on. Let's go into and let's go more and turn off NFC. See what happens. Nothing. So it has something to do with the NFC chip. I just don't know what it is. By the way, never mind. I don't know. Weird. Really weird. Let's turn it back on the NFC. This is Android 4.0.2, I think it's on. Let's go to more NFC. That's just the weirdest thing ever. Alright guys, thanks for watching, I guess. Hit me in the comments. Tell me what the hell's going on here. Bye guys.